Hi, I'm Celine and today we'll see how to make some garden levels that are very useful and very easy to make. We'll see two different options. The first one will be for indoors plants with just some chalkboard paint and you just have to write the name of your plant on it. And another option for outdoors will be with a wood burner pen and some varnish. These can be very useful in the case you're just planting your seeds in different pots and you may not remember in which pot you planted which seeds. Just take a thin piece of wood, any plywood will do, and draw over a rectangle, follow it by a longer vertical line for the main stick and a triangle around it to give it some volume. Cut the corners or round up others to make it blend with your garden. Make as many as you need at this point, using the first one as a pattern. A scroll saw or a bandsaw will do the job perfectly. I'm making 10 of them to label my plants. You can now polish. I'm using a rotary tool and thick sandpaper with a grit of around 100 or 200. It does look better, but is not entirely necessary unless you are using them indoors. For the indoor option, take some scotch paper, masking tape, and apply special chalkboard paint. Be careful since it leaves stains. It can be found in most painting shops. For the outdoor option, you can use a wood burner, and some lacquer to make them more durable will be useful in this case.